Okay, so let's just have a quick look at this. Pi Amiga here. So in Pi Amiga, and we're going to first of all adjust this screen. Up, cross, down, menu. Okay. You can do that, it's all great. And quit out of it. You can also download stuff like DOSBox. And if you press Alt-Enter, you get a full screen DOSBox. If you mount a hard drive, you should mount it onto C, and then you should be able to load Mortal 1, we'll load Mortal 2, and then directory, we'll do a wide one, have a look. Where's the .bat? Maybe MK, what does that do? There you go. Enter the word. Got it right. Press start. Got no controls, so DOSBox, no controls. But anyway, press Alt-Enter again. You can see where you are. Now this machine is powerful enough just to double click on this. What's doing? Must have clicked it. Why is it doing that? Was it right doing that? So once it's doing that, so without any fail, that loads up, and then you could even go down here and play mod. See, play mods over the top of it. Press F12, go down to here and go windowed, resume. You can press, you've got to get middle mouse button to get it out of focus, or Alt-Enter, and you'll get the Linux prompt. And see, sort of slow down, but this machine is pretty powerful. It's not even too hot. It's not hot at all, actually. This fan's going quite quietly. So yeah. And this new iPhone seems to take really good 4K videos.